Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our lecture on Microsoft Word shortcut keys. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use additional Microsoft Word shortcut keys to increase your productivity and efficiency. These are the following shortcut keys. Control plus D, open the font dialog box. Control plus D, open the font dialog box. Control plus E, center text. Control plus E, center text. Control plus L, left align text. Control plus L, left align text. Control plus R, right align text. Control plus R, right align text. Control plus enter, insert a page break. Control plus enter, insert a page break. Control plus shift greater than increase font size. Control plus shift greater than increase font size. Control plus shift less than decrease font size. Control plus shift less than decrease font size. In this lecture, we covered additional Microsoft Word shortcut keys that will help you increase your productivity and efficiency. Remember to practice using these shortcut keys to become more comfortable and proficient in Microsoft Word. Join us for our next lecture, where we will explore even more advanced features and techniques in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.